ಮನೆಗಳಿಗೆ ನಿರಂತರ ಜ್ಯೋತಿ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲದಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದವನ್ನು ಕತ್ತಲದಲ್ಲಿ ದೂಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಎಚ್ಚರಿಸಲು ಪ್ರತಿಭಟನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
Lack of rainfall, Karnataka is not only facing a Kaveri water crisis but also a power shortage. According to the Energy Department, Karnataka is facing a daily shortfall of 40 to 50 million units and a shortage of at least 1,500 to 2,500 megawatts. Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar said that due to a shortage of water, generating power is difficult. He said that the Chief Minister discussed the issue with the Power Minister and the government is trying to resolve it. On October 11th, the Kaveri Water Regulation Committee recommended Karnataka to release 3,000 cusecs of water starting from October 16th until October 31st. However, the Deputy Chief Minister has said that they will appeal against the order. Shivkumar mentioned that though Karnataka has an inflow of 8,000 to 9,000 cusecs, the government will try to protect the interests of farmers. He also mentioned that Bengaluru has received very little rainfall and the water is yet to reach Biligundlu. Lack of water has led to a shortage of power and coal. The next meeting of the Kaveri Water Management Authority is expected to happen on October 15th. On the other hand, on October 11th in Chikkaballapura, the opposition BJP had said that it would lock power firms if the Karnataka government failed to give 7 hours of supply to farmers. Former Chief Minister Basvaraja Bommai said that the government has an anti-farmer attitude. He claimed that although the farmers only received about 2 hours of power per day, the power tariff had increased twice in the previous 3 months. Additionally, he stated that the power struggle is drying up all the crops in the Chikkaballapura district, which has 1.5 lakh irrigation pump sets. Amidst the water and power shortage, the Karnataka government has planned a power swapping deal with Uttar Pradesh and Punjab. Through short tenders, the government intends to procure 1,250 megawatts of power on a round-the-clock basis and 250 megawatt on a real-time market basis.
We will appeal against it. We will find very difficult. Still there is no rain. Only 1 or 2 rain, small rain has come in Bangalore, but it has not reached Bilgundu yet. So I think we will plan it, but we are appealing on it. They did not plan to add any power. Normally there will be a 10 to 15% growth every year. They just sold the power, that's all. Now there is lot of drought. Almost 200 taluks are in drought and people are finding very difficult. See, to generate power, you need lot of water, number one. Number two, pollution is there. But still we want to help the farmers. But we are trying to, my honorable minister met the power minister to see that we give some power from the central grid. I think if they help, we are ready to cooperate with them. We want, due to this initiative of the drought, the of power, but still we are trying to manage it. So my honorable minister is already on the job. We will help them. That is all good for the rain.